Hey everybody, it's your girl Mrs. Garcia coming back with another video. To all my new watchers, hello and welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well as the bell notification down below. Let's give this video a full watch and a thumbs up. Today I will be making Halloween cupcakes. I'm gonna show you everything I put inside. Let's get started. So this is the box cupcake mix. Again, you guys know I'm not a baker, but I do love to try. So I will be using the Funfetti mix. To my mixing bowl, I will be pouring the whole pouch inside. We're going to be needing 3 eggs, a cup and a half of milk, and a stick and a half of butter, and that's unsalted butter. So just give that a good mix. Until the consistency is like so. Now you can always follow the box recipe, of course, but I just like the milk and the eggs. To me, it makes the cupcakes a little bit more moist. So to my cupcake pan, I will be adding my liners. If you guys are looking for some Halloween liners for your cupcakes, I did find those at Winco and they were only $1. So here you guys see me putting a tablespoon of mixture into each cupcake liner. And don't forget to spray each liner with non-bake cooking spray. That just helps release the whole cupcake once you open or once you peel the wrapper off. Now we are going to add our cupcakes to the oven. Make sure you preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and we are going to cook them for 15 to 20 minutes. Now I'm just going to do the same thing with the chocolate mixture. And again, each box makes 24 cupcakes. So once the cupcakes are done, we're just going to let those cool down for about 5 to 8 minutes before we frost and decorate them. Sorry you guys, my voice is like going in and out, so weird. So we are going to make a homemade piping bag. If you guys already have one, go ahead and use it. But I'm just going to take a Ziploc bag and place that inside of my cup. And I want to push it down as far as I can. Then I will be adding the Funfetti Frosting. Now the secret is to microwave it for about 10 to 15 seconds. That way it will be nice and loose and easier to work with. So I'm going to do the same thing to the green frosting. Did you guys peep out my nail? It was a ghost. I love my nail lady. So we are going to cut the corner of the Ziploc bag off and then go ahead and start frosting your cupcakes. I just did a little swirl motion, and you can just cover up the gaps that you do have. And they look like this. Again, I am not a baker. I do love to try, and I just thought once I seen these in the aisle, I was just like, I have to get them. They're so cute. And I have to share this with everybody because they were just so cute. It's a great idea to use again for a Halloween party. That way the kids can decorate the cupcakes to their liking. You can also make cake pops with this recipe. And you can design the cupcakes like so. It was just so fun to do this. And as you can tell, I had to use my nail because it was so difficult to get the sprinkles out of the container. And 2, I did buy extra eyeballs. So again, because I had 48 cupcakes, so I want to try to make them all fun and different. Like so. I hope you guys all like this video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share this content. And hit the bell notification down below so you can be notified for the next video. And if you guys want some more Halloween ideas, go ahead and hit my Halloween playlist at the end.